Hey, welcome back guys, Devin again. Today I'm going to show you how to verify your can position on the lift pad. So to do that, you want to make sure you're on your steamer page. And then in encoder position, you want to show advanced setup. And the position we'll be checking is this can at dwell start. So to verify our can position, we'll need a nice sealed can just like this. We'll come here, set it on the conveyor. Next things we'll do is turn our lid dropper and lifter into manual, as well as turn off the lid jam detect. From there, I will turn on our conveyor and hold this jog button. So next we'll jog the can all the way up until it's just about at the transfer site. We want to stop it about right here. So once we have our can in position, we're going to come here to can at dwell start and hit jog 2. So once our can's at dwell start, the first thing I usually check is how centered it is on the lift pad. This one looks pretty nice. You want it as centered as you possibly can. The kind of other thing I like to check is rail spacing as well. For this, I like to look down line, and you want the rails very close but not touching the can. And this will get you a good seam and minimal can damage. Thanks for listening to me talking about positions. Catch you next time.